Hello everyone, and today we will be ranking ship horns, starting with the Britannic. 10 out of 10. Also 10 out of 10. Olympic, another 10 out of 10. Rex, not bad. Eastland, Republic, 10 out of 10. The Carpathia, 10 out of 10. Oceanic 2, 10 out, no, 9 out of 10. MV Georgic, 9 out of 10. Queen Mary, 10 out of 10. Queen Mary 2, not bad, 10 out of 10. Queen Elizabeth 2, 10 out of 10. And the final ship for part 1, RMS Lusitania, 9 out of 10. Mauritania, 9 out of 10 as well.
St. Lawrence to Montreal. Didn't want to miss
this ship name, 6 out of 10. And that was ranking ship whistles. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video. Oh, hold on. My kitty says bye-bye. Bye.